How's it going, everyone? Draglane here. I'm here with Fix My Luxury Build Race. Okay. Luxury build. Okay. So this is a game I've always wanted because of that sick Maserati that you get to pimp out and deck out. Alright. So play it now. So you're successful, rich, and famous, but something is missing. Your dream of building, designing, power, and going faster. Okay, good for you. It's time to build a one-of-a-kind masterpiece for the ages. Okay. Okay. Alright. Parts and tools. Okay, I'm going to get back with all the parts that I'm going to show you guys, because I've played this game already. Making sure there's nothing bad in it, really. No crime. Let me remember. But yeah. So this game, it costs $2 for Google Play. And so now we're gonna work on the powertrain. Dude, wouldn't that be cool if you just like got free random stuff? Like, wouldn't that be awesome? Like to build a car. Like I'm just saying right now, wouldn't that just be like super cool? I think it would. Personally. I mean, like getting free stuff, man, dude. That's awesome. A welder. But, yeah, I've played this game already about 100 times. Just to make sure I know a lot of it. So if you guys can see it. Yeah, I know. I know everything about this game, pretty much. I know every little inch about it. Oops. Oh, that's right. There's a... What's the code? 56789. 56789. It was to the safe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sweet. That's cool. At least I got some brakes. Hurry up and give me no. Hello. Eat me. More pens. Okay, I think we got mostly everything ready for this first part. So the first part is chapter 1, the frame, the powertrain. Either that or I had to make it 2 parts. Alright, so first, I forgot. Oh, yeah, throw this down. Wow. That's not nice. But, you know, it's really wide, I'm just saying. I mean, that's, like, really wide. And you spray paint with the enamel. No, I backed out. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, sorry about that. I had to do something. Well, to do exhaust. Who loves to do exhausts? Like, if they come turbos like a Beamer usually does. How do I know? Because my grandma owns a Beamer. Well, my mom does. Oh, no. She's bad at driving. Like, really bad. I don't mean your average horrible driver. I mean motherfucking horrible. And so I hate it when the freaking charger. Yeah, sorry I'm charging this and recording. Usually I'll have it fully charged and I'll record. But no, it didn't charge last night and I had to do something about that. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get our fuel tank. Tiptoe by the window, by the window. Ah! So we got a light one. Alright. So suspension, I would love actually doing this, like, for real. I would actually love to do this to a car. Like, take it all apart. Like, only if they did the engine to this. Then you would actually really be worth a lot of your money. Literally, if you could just, like, disassemble a whole engine, like, you could buy an engine, that's what I would do. That's the stuff I'd probably do for freaking years. You know? Okay. So I need to get a racing sway bar. I'll be right back with the racing sway bar so I can save some time. That's why I'm pausing it most of the time. Okay? Be right. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got it. So I think we need to put it right here. Yeah, we got to put it right there. So let's add the rear diff, and then I think it's pretty much until we get to the drive. I think it's when we're finishing up on this, and then we need to order an engine, and we're done, pretty much. I know, it's gonna be short. Short. Yes, I am very short. Then you need some more pen. Will this work, actually? Hold on a minute. Will this work? Alright, so now we need to order an engine. Yay! And that'll be the end of this video. Well, after we install it. What am I thinking? So it's getting... old man engine. Let's get this one. So, oh, wow. That does look nice. I'm just saying. No, we need to get the frame on. Yeah, we need to get that. And then paint it. Alright, so we're gonna paint it. What color should I paint it? I think I should paint it like red. Like racing red. Like, who's ever seen racing red before? If you have, that's cool. Yeah, I'm really sorry about the battery thing, though. I have the bank in my inventory. Wonderful. Alright, guys. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.